Indian Air Force is moving forward with plans to equip its frontline fighter jets Su-30MKI and indigenous Tejas aircraft with highly advanced beyond visual range Meteor missile as European missile manufacturer MBDA has given its approval for integration with locally developed Indian radar systems.
Australian firm Skyborne Technologies has unveiled its Kodiak robotic weapons platform that combine four-legged mobility with modular lethality and AI-assisted targeting. The robotic system integrates AI-powered optical recognition and real-time targeting algorithms through its onboard targeting electronics optical box.
Japan's Ministry of Defense has announced shipment of an additional 30 self-defense forces vehicles to Ukraine. The shipment includes 28 trucks and 2 high-mobility vehicles intended for personnel and cargo transport.
Russia has modified its Cessna aircraft to combat Ukrainian drones by mounting 2 machine guns under the fuselage, turning civilian planes into improvised drone interceptors.